To stay safe and avoid security problems, one of the easiest things we can do is keep our Mac software updated. Apple releases a major new version of macOS every year, typically in the fall. As of this recording, that was macOS Ventura, or macOS 13. When released, the version number was probably something like macOS 13.0.1. Over the last 7 months, macOS Ventura has been updated several times, and it's now at macOS.3.1. These system updates will appear in the general pane of System Settings and Software Update. We won't be updating any apps from here. This pane will only offer updates to macOS. Here at the top, we can set what sort of updates will occur automatically. Currently, this Mac will automatically check for updates, download those updates, and it will automatically install only the security updates. We could also allow macOS updates and app updates from the Mac App Store to automatically install. For most users, turning all of these auto update options on is a good idea. At minimum, I would have the automatic security updates activated. With all of these turned on, when any system update comes in, it will be downloaded by the Mac and usually installed at night as long as the Mac is plugged into power. Currently, this Mac has a security update that needs to be installed. I can do that manually with a quick restart right now, or I could wait and let it happen automatically later tonight. Next, let's open the Mac App Store. Here in the sidebar, we have an Updates pane. 3 apps have been updated recently. From App Store settings, we can activate the automatic app updates. Having this turned off is less of a security risk than having automatic system updates deactivated. But again, for most users, it's probably the best option, both for convenience and security. So any app that has been downloaded from the Mac App Store can be updated from here. But if you have an app that it was downloaded from outside the Mac App Store, most likely from its own website, then those updates need to be done from within the app itself. I'll use the app Handbrake as an example. When I open it and go to the app menu, we have a Check for Updates option. And there's currently an update that needs to be downloaded. If you have several apps that were downloaded outside the Mac App Store, keeping them all updated individually like this can become a chore. But there is another way, and that's with the Clean My Mac Updater module. This will find available updates for the apps installed on your Mac that won't be updated through the App Store. I currently have 7 updates available, one of which is the update for Handbrake. So with a couple of clicks, I could update all these apps from right here in Clean My Mac. To review, for the best security, keep your Mac updated. Most important are security and system updates that will occur in System Settings. Next is updates for any apps installed from the Mac App Store. We can keep those automatically updated as well from within the App Store app. And for your apps installed from outside the App Store, we can either update those individually or use the Clean My Mac Updater feature to keep them updated from right here.